write the 6 terms of the arithmetic sequence given the nth term, which is a sub n is equals to 4n minus 3. Let's answer this in this new learn video. Hello everyone and welcome to my class, especially my friends and supporters, the great TikTokers, my very good student and another very good student, my very good friends. Hello. In this video, we're going to talk about writing terms of an arithmetic sequence given the nth term formula or the explicit formula. If you try to recall, the explicit formula is in this form. A sub n is equals to dn plus c, where d is a common difference and the common difference is the number you add to get the next term of a given arithmetic sequence, and c is the constant. Okay, so it's very helpful for you to understand the explicit formula or the format of the explicit formula. Okay, so now let us answer this problem. The given is the nth term and we are going to look for the 6 terms. Okay, so we're going to write down the 6 terms of the arithmetic sequence, and to do that we have to find the first term of the sequence, and we are going to use this. Since we are looking for the first term, our a sub n will become a sub 1 is equals to 4. Whatever is the value of n here, that will also be the value here. 4 times 1, since this is a sub 1, minus 3. And then, PEMDAS, so there's no parenthesis, only multiplication, then subtraction. So what comes first is multiplication, so we have to multiply this first. So 4 times 1, that is 4 minus 3, and 4 minus 3 is 1, meaning our a sub 1 is 1. So our answer, the first term of this nth term formula is 1. And since I have said that the format for our explicit formula is a sub n is equals to dn plus c, wherein d is the common difference, the number that we add to get the next term, then it's very obvious here that d is 4. So now we will just add 4 to the first term to get the rest of the terms. So 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 4 is 17. And 17 plus 4 is 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our 6th term of the nth term formula a sub n is equals to 4n minus 3 is 1, 5, 9, 13, 17, 21. You don't need to write the plus 4 here. I just wrote it to show you that the common difference is the number that we add to get the next term. Okay, so that's all. Bye-bye and have a nice day. Mwah.